To perform a first setup on the Realme GT7 Pro, first we'll need to click and hold the power button on the right side of our device. Hold it until you can see the Realme logo, then you can let go. Okay, so the first thing you will see during the setup is hello, and we can proceed to the next step, in which you'll be able to pick a different language for your system. You can also go for accessibility settings or perform emergency call. Hopefully not, but you can do it right here. Let's move to the next step, and then we can choose the region on which we'll be using this device. And I'm gonna go with United States and proceed. Then there's a legal information. You can click on view details to read through it, although I'm gonna skip it. Then there's a setup using another device. So if you want to transfer your previous device to this one, you can go with Android device or iPhone if you had iPhone previously, but I don't have it, so let's skip it. Now we can connect our Realme with the Wi-Fi network, but also we can skip it. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna skip it. Of course you can connect, it's very much recommended to actually connect it with your network. Then we have unlock method. That means you can set up a lock screen already, but I'm gonna skip it. Here's all of the Google services that you can agree or disagree with the click of a switch. I'm going to accept and proceed. Then there's different recommended services like wallpaper carousel or other stuff. I don't like it, so I'm just going to turn it off. Then select agree. And here you'll be able to choose your navigation method. You can go for buttons or gestures. You can also learn gestures right here or by watching our future video. So in this case, I'm going to go with buttons, and then we can get started. And that's the setup done.